Ethereum. So Ethereum has had a lot happening as of late. Now, while price hasn't uh, been wild in terms of huge growth yet, Ethereum does look like it's set to have a very good year. Of course, it's it's got first mover advantage on the smart contract platforms, and while it's got solid competition now, it's so well established as a solid project, and every bull cycle it's gone to a new high. So I still expect that to happen this bull cycle. So I want to talk about where it will go. Now, before I get into it, folks, if you are new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These were coins that I thought were going to do really, really well. And you can see what they were all worth when I recorded the videos, as well as the highs that they all hit, which was around about 16 months on. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd have put $100 into the coins when I released the videos. So you'd have made over 123 grand in that 16 months, which is pretty good. I mean, obviously, you don't have 16 months now. We're in a bull cycle. And if you're sitting on cryptos that you're not happy with, that aren't performing for you, then you've got rubbish you've got to get rid of. If you're not sure where to start, why don't you have a look at copymycrypto.com? That's the site I run where I share my portfolio with my members. So when I'm ready to buy or sell a crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and price I'm going to do it at. This means my members get in and out of coins the same price as me, so they make the same profit. They just don't have any work to do at all. And if you go onto the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You can also see our history and the successes that we've had on the site, along with the testimonials from my members talking about the service they receive. And if after reading through it all, and by the way, it's verifiable on this channel, and if after reading through it, after verifying all, you like what you see, you want to find out the coins that I'm in, the ones that are outperforming the market, the only way you can do that is by joining up, guys. So let's talk Ethereum right now. So Ethereum not quite got to its new all-time high yet, but it still looks probable. I mean, let's be honest. It's going to happen. I think we're going to see that in the next few months, inevitably. Ethereum has, had a good year. There's a lot that's been happening. Ethereum is the first ever smart contract platform. So first mover advantage in that front. That's why it's, nearly top of the tree in terms of market cap. It's only Bitcoin beating it. It's founded by Vitalik Buterin and a number of other developers, many of whom have gone on to launch very successful blockchain projects, whether it's Cardano, Polkadot, there's plenty knocking about that were created by Ethereum founders. Ethereum had, when it started, there was just Ethereum. They had an exploit in the early days which caused a redo of the blockchain, which inevitably ended up with Ethereum Classic being formed. They went through a merge in 2022. The Ethereum merge shifted them from proof of work to proof of stake. This actually changed the tokenomics of Ethereum quite dramatically as well. Ethereum is now becoming more deflationary. Every time a transaction occurs, the Ethereum that's used to pay for the transaction is burnt off. So for a deflationary nature, that actually bodes very, very well for Ethereum because it's still very heavily used. Also, there's a lot of news that's been breaking as of late. So one piece of news is Deutsche Börse's crypto arm have enabled Lido staked ETH custody and staking. This basically opens up Ethereum to institutional investors. So staked ETH can now be gotten hold of by institutional investors. That again is way more money that's just going to flow the hell into Ethereum. And they're doing the custody, of course. Obviously, you should understand your risks when someone's got custody of your crypto because it's not yours. Also, we've seen the launch of Infinion. I don't even know how to say that. Mainnet explored. So Ethereum scalability meeting deflationary tokenomics. So the Infinion, I think that's right, mainnet launch has been confirmed, and the market is now seeing the scaling technology that saw the pre-sale attract a lot of attention. It did well on pre-sale, like a lot of whale activity. And as this is going to occur, there's been a lot of pressure going on to Ethereum, driving transaction costs up, reducing speeds, limiting the user and developer experience. And the congestion issue has plagued Ethereum for years and years and years. I mean, hell, back in 2016, 2017, and 2017-18 rather, in that bull cycle, I tried moving Ethereum, it took about a day when that stupid CryptoKitties launched. And part of the reason that we saw some of the coins back then do really, really well was because a lot of the driving factor was I'll swap into another coin that I can move around easier, such as Dash. So Infinion's Layer 2 solution aims to address the challenge by processing transactions off-chain and settling them in batches on the mainnet. This approach significantly reduces congestion. It also lowers transaction fees, making Ethereum more efficient and cost-effective for users and developers. So Infinion's deflationary token model sets it apart from the other layer 2s by utilizing a portion of gas fees to buy back and burn tokens. So interesting new project emerging, but I've not looked into that in great depth, I will be honest with you. So Ethereum is the biggest ecosystem in all of crypto, obviously. It's been around the longest in terms of smart contracts. And, you know, it's really set the standard. Like, NFTs were formed on Ethereum. Everything new at some point began on Ethereum. And obviously, Ethereum now have an ETF. And I expect that we're going to see more Ethereum ETFs down the line. Bitcoin's ETF has been the one that's taken the most, has had the most attention. Of course it is. Everyone knows Bitcoin. If you bump into a random person on the street that knows nothing about crypto, they will know Bitcoin. They might not know Ethereum, but they'll definitely know Bitcoin because everyone does. Now, we were speaking in 2021 a lot in the crypto space about Ethereum flipping, flippening. That's what everyone started terming it. It was stupid. But Ethereum flipping Bitcoin and becoming more valuable than Bitcoin in terms of market cap. I honestly don't think that's ever going to happen, but if there was a crypto that can do it, it would be Ethereum because it's the biggest, it's the most, and like arguably the most used. Of course, Solana has started having a say in that because Solana's usage has been through the roof. But all in all, when we look at Ethereum from bull cycle to bull cycle, it has done very, very well. Back in 2018, it hit about 1,500. In 2021, it went as high as 4,900, was it? 4,891. This bull cycle, I expect to see again. I expect this to go higher. I expect this to actually try. I think Ethereum cracks the $1 trillion market cap this bull cycle. To do that, it has to hit around about $8,500. I think 10,000, nice round number, but I think that's a really solid target because it also plays into the diminishing returns response as well. Because don't forget, like bull cycle to bull cycle, the returns are going to be lower for certain cryptos. And Ethereum, you know, if we go from 1,400 to 4,900 basically, and then we go from 4,900 to 10,000, it fits in with the diminishing returns response. You can make the argument for $8,500 as well, but I think 10,000 is a fair target. $1.2 trillion market cap for Ethereum, the biggest ecosystem in all of crypto, makes total sense to me. I think Solana and XRP are the two behind that are probably going to want to tackle that $1 trillion market cap. I just don't think they're going to manage it this bull cycle. Well, I don't think there's a chance they're going to do it this bull cycle unless we start seeing Bitcoin hitting bloody 500 grand. And that seems highly, highly unlikely. But yeah, the key thing, like one of the key things for Ethereum this bull cycle is going to be just getting that scalability improving. And Vitalik Buterin's touched upon that a few times, saying that, you know, he wants to use some of the layer 2 technology out there to speed up the Ethereum network because, you know, it's not right now fit for purpose in terms of what transactions per second. And if Ethereum is going to remain the king of smart contracts, it's going to have to speed up because Solana's far, far faster. But I'm curious to hear what people think about this. Where do people think Ethereum can go in this bull cycle? Is anyone thinking it's going to get to 15, 20 grand? Is anyone thinking it's not even going to beat its previous all-time high? And is there another layer 1 that's emerged recently that you're really excited about, that you think can challenge Ethereum in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments, guys. And look, we're in a bull cycle right now, and if you are not happy with the performance of your portfolio, if you're not making money, then you've probably got rubbish in your portfolio you've got to get rid of. If you're not sure where to start at copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run where I share my portfolio with my members. So whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and the price I'm going to do it at. This means my members can copy along exactly, so they make the exact same profit as me and they don't have any work to do at all. And if you go onto the site, guys, you'll see what my members have earned. You can see our successes. Everything on the site is public record, so you can verify it all online. And like I said, if you want to see the coins I'm in, all you've got to do that is join up on the site, guys. And if you do, I'll see you there. That's it from me. Take it easy. Bye-bye.